Hey guys, it's Jeremy Hoover here with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Michigan Real Estate and the Mary Johnson team of Grand Blanc. Welcome to 15260 Stonehenge Drive, located in between Fenton and Holly. This beautiful home offers almost 5,000 square feet of living space. With 5 bedrooms and 4 baths and 17 rooms, it's worth the tour. Come on and take a look. This lower level is home to 1,300 square feet of living space, with 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, a kitchenette, and a large living room, and heated floors throughout. It's the perfect space for guests and in-laws. Now let's take a look upstairs. The upstairs also includes this amazing room with 1,200 square feet of endless possibilities. This house is more than just a home. It's an escape. With views looking out on the Seven Lakes State Park, it's just that. All right guys, that brings our tour to an end. As always, you can go to jeremy.themjteam.com to see this listing and other listings. Please like, share, and comment on this beautiful home. Thanks for stopping by.